Good morning. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for Thursday, May 15th, 2014. And we're starting off this morning with some low clouds and fog, and we think this is going to be burning off probably by mid to late morning, and might even be some drizzle around with that fog. So, a little kind of sluggish start to the morning here, but I really don't think we're going to be dealing with too much in the way of rain today. We're a little bit forward in time here, and we're going to get to late morning. I think it does clear out here. Latest to clear out will be along the shore points, but the interior will clear out. I think we're going to go to mostly cloudy. So I start off cloudy in the morning with the fog, and then you're going to burn off, and then you're going to get to a few breaks of sun by late morning, maybe by noon in some areas where it takes a little bit longer to burn off. But I really don't think you're going to get into a mixed clouds and sun. It's kind of like 75-25, I would say, a mostly cloudy day with a few breaks of sun throughout the afternoon here. We are going to have a southwesterly flow today out ahead of an approaching cold front here. This cold front we'll get into in a minute here, but it'll be a southwesterly flow. This will allow temperatures that are going to rebound even a lot higher than they were yesterday. Some places will get up near 80 degrees and into the lower 80s as you get down here towards Philadelphia, down to Dover and Baltimore, Washington, and those areas, all the way up to about Allentown and Harrisburg. So temperatures will be rebounding nicely today. Again, if the sun comes out, it's going to really accelerate those temperatures northward very quickly. So a little bit further here, we're going to go into late Thursday. You can see all this massive rain here. This is just a wall of rain that's going to be coming in here. Very heavy rainfall that we're expecting over central PA that's going to eventually move eastward, but it's going to take its sweet time doing that. I really don't think it's here's late Thursday. It really hasn't moved much. And then here's Friday 4 a.m. and here's getting into the next day here on Friday at 8 o'clock. And look at the heavy rain here. You see it's just a north-south axis here that's going to keep moving to the east here. And as it does so, which is going to keep overspreading rain up in this direction here. So the heaviest rain is going to fall up here in central PA. This is by far the area that has the best chance to receive between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain, and we have that indicated on our weather alert maps, which I'll show you in a second here. But that's going to move eastward and kind of lift to the northeast a little bit. So areas that are down here in this area right here are going to receive less, definitely, than central PA, but also less in these areas right in here. So it does favor an area that is just northwest of 95. And then as you get about the central PA, for sure, the heavy rain will kick in as well. So this is all moving east along that cold front, very slow moving cold front. Here is the GFS look at it. Same time frame. Here's Friday afternoon. You have an area of low pressure that's sitting up here. Here is your cold front. It's almost north-south here, so you have a north-south flow along that front. You have a low-level jet that's also enhancing the rainfall rates here, and the low pressure moving along this frontal boundary as well. So you get a lot of things working against this that's going to enhance rainfall rates. Not only that, but areas here up by the mountains, the eastern slopes of the mountains especially, are getting the heaviest rain, I think, because you have an orographic lift with southeastern winds pushing up against the mountain. It kind of wrings out the moisture and gives you, even more of a higher water content. So we can really be pouring here just east of the Appalachian Mountains, over the eastern Appalachian Mountains, and just east of it. So I think that's where your heaviest rain is going to end up falling. And then the GFS has this moving through. Here's a look at Friday evening and Friday overnight, and then Saturday morning. Now GFS looks like it's holding on to some precipitation all the way back to this point on Saturday morning here. I don't think that's the case here. Saturday morning at 12Z is 8 o'clock, but this is showing the precipitation total over the previous 6 hours. So I think it's really done here by about 3 o'clock in the morning at our easternmost areas. It'll run out about 3 a.m. So we're not looking at this to holding on too long. And then here is our weather alert maps from our weather alert maps page. This area here in red, this is the area we have between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain falling in locally higher amounts. The area in orange is anywhere between 1 and 2 inches, again with locally higher amounts in thunderstorms. And then areas here in the green are between a ½ inch and 1 inch of rain. So definitely favoring areas that are further northwest, getting into the heavy rainfall this time. And the good thing about this is it's a quick mover. It's maybe 6, 8, 9 hours in and out of here, and we don't have to worry about this hanging around for several days or anything like that. And the reason we're so excited about that moving out here is because this weekend is going to be fantastic. Here's a look at Saturday afternoon. Absolutely nothing here. We're not dealing with any near normal temperatures for this time of year. Same thing for Sunday, maybe slightly below normal temperatures as you get into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Normal highs this time of year are probably basically 70, low 70s. And you're going to have temperatures that are kind of like upper 60s or thereabout to near 70. So very slightly below normal temperature this weekend, but it is going to be gorgeous. It's almost room temperature outside what it is inside. Obviously, that's an open the windows kind of weekend. You have a northwesterly breeze blowing. It's going to feel really, really nice with low humidity and bright sunshine. Now we will have this system, another system here in the Gulf of Maine, that's going to be kind of sitting here and spinning. It's sitting right up here. So this is actually Tuesday morning. This is going to send some showers wrapping around this system here, and there might be enough instability over portions of our coverage area, especially northern areas up in here, that could get into a passing shower here. So we did include the chance for a shower here on Tuesday as this rotates around it with the increased instability. So we will have an opportunity for a few showers wrapping around that system as it's just sitting here and spinning here for a couple days, it seems, and then it finally pulls away eventually towards the end of the cycle here. But we have nice weather then through the end of the week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for May 15th, 2014. Have a great Thursday.